Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Alice. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Cherry. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Jean. Yes, Cherry, the water looks lovely, and the sunrises lately have been just amazing. So gentle, kind of pinkish, very cute. Anyway, it is our time to start, and today we will be exploring our basic right to act, represented in our solar plexus chakra. In her book, Eastern Body, Western Mind, Anna Judith writes, cultures with narrowly defined behavior patterns impair the right to act through fear of punishment and the enforcement of blind obedience. Most people just follow in the footsteps of others, afraid to innovate, afraid to be free. When the right to act is restricted, our will and spontaneity go with it, and our vitality decreases. This does not imply that the third chakra profits by senseless or whimsical acts, but that we do need freedom to develop our inner authority. And in fact, the right to be free is yet another right represented by the third chakra. So, how do we reclaim, with full responsibility, enthusiasm, and pride, our inner right to act, free from inhibition and shame? This is the question central to anyone undergoing a healing process. In polarized thinking, this kind of either or thinking, we see power in terms of eat or be eaten, control or be controlled, win or lose, one up or one down. We often believe that our power is gained by fighting our inferior parts with the strengths of our superior parts. We are often asked to exert mind over matter, to prove our strength by dominating our basic instincts, suppressing the raw energy of the core self, which is actually the psychic source of our power. So little by little, struggle itself becomes the focus of our life force. And of course, there is no doubt that at times, winning this kind of inner battle is important. But the victory of one part over another does not lead to our wholeness. In fact, it creates further fragmentation. Such battles rob our system of energy and usually re-emerge to be fought again and again and again. In order to balance the energies into true wholeness, harnessing the gifts of our third chakra, we need a whole new definition of power, one that lifts us out of the struggle and into transformation, out of the past and into the future that inspires, strengthens, and empowers us without diminishing others. This kind of power can ignite our life with purpose and renew our joy of simply being alive. The main purpose of the third chakra in the whole chakra system is to transform the inertia of matter and movement represented by the root and sacral chakras into a conscious direction of willed activity. The task of the third chakra is to remind us to leave the realm of safety and security and leap forward into the unknown. Because every challenge strengthens us by forcing us to grow. And power, like a muscle, will not increase by doing nothing. We must be willing to leave the way it has always been, to transform our habits, to set a new course. We must be willing to step out of the familiar, out of the expected, and confront the challenges of uncertainty. And with all of this, it is very important to remember that we can do it all not through our habitual struggle for power in this oscillating realm of either or, win or lose, black or white. Here, we're given the opportunity to enter the rainbow realm of multiplicity and widen our horizons with our right to act, choosing from a myriad options in front of us. And as we exercise choice, we initiate the will. Through exercising our will, we develop our individuality, discover our strengths and weaknesses, and begin to access this power within that will steer our lives without struggle. So let's do a practice around that now. Take a comfortable position, and as usual, take a few moments to settle in. Scanning your body, notice how you are feeling today, physically, emotionally, mentally. What's going on for you right now? How are you? Let go of the need to control your breath. Let it flow freely and just observe how your body moves with your breath, how your breath moves through your body. Close your eyes. Root down into the earth. Feel your connection with it through your root chakra. Remember the support that the earth always provides. Breathing slowly, start noticing the sense of being you, the sense of your unique presence on this earth. And repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So right now, I'm okay. All is well in my world. Now, at the level of your solar plexus, visualize your third chakra. You may imagine it as a sphere of yellow energy, rotating slowly and radiating light in all directions. This is your personal sun, your own energy generator. How much space can you take up with your energy? With each breath cycle, allow this yellow light, this energy of your third chakra, the rays of your personal sun, to expand from within and radiate out further and further. As you stay with this visual, expanding your energy further and further out, repeat after me. I have many options to choose from. I am open to many new ways of doing things. I have the right to act based on my choices. I have the right to act freely. I have the right to succeed. I have the right to fail. I feel my power from within. We will complete our practice with the Bija mantra for the solar plexus chakra. The sound here is Ram, R-A-M, Ram. We will repeat it 7 times. As you recite this mantra, let yourself expand more and more into your right to act and to be free. Ram, 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 Ram. Scan your body once again and notice how you are now, physically, emotionally, mentally. Has anything changed? Remember, it's okay if it hasn't. Just being curious. And as you go through your day today, notice how you define your power. Notice when you feel powerless. What are the circumstances, the thoughts associated with feeling powerless? Notice when you feel empowered. What are the circumstances and thoughts in this case? Keep reminding yourself that your power comes from within, from your personal power generator in your 3rd chakra, and that you have the right to act and to be free in your choices. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.